Hello, everyone. Today I stand before you with a sense of urgency because the very creatures that sustain our ecosystem are in peril. According to a report by the Intergovernmental Science Policy Platform on Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services, bee populations are declining globally at an alarming rate. The decline of bees isn't just a concern for environmentalists, it's a crisis that affects everyone. As stated in a study published in the journal Nature Communications, bees play a crucial role in pollinating crops that provide 1/3 of the world's food supply. I want to ignite a spark within each of you to inspire collective action and raise awareness about how we, as a community, can save bees. Bees are the unsung heroes of our ecosystem, diligently working as pollinators to ensure the reproduction of plants and the maintenance of biodiversity. Without bees, many plant species would struggle to reproduce, leading to cascading effects throughout the food chain. According to research from the University of California, Berkeley, bees pollinate more than 90% of world's flowering plant species. Consider the foods you enjoy every day, from juicy strawberries to crisp apples and even coffee. Many of these are made possible by the pollination efforts of bees. In fact, it's estimated that 1/3 of the food we consume relies on pollination by bees, as highlighted in a study by the Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations. Despite their critical role, bees face a whole bunch of threats in today's world. One of the most significant threats is the widespread use of pesticides. Specifically, they're called neonicotinoids, which have been linked to bee population declines. A comprehensive study published in the journal Science found that exposure to neonicotinoids can impair bee navigation, foraging behavior, ultimately leading to colony collapse. Furthermore, habitat loss due to urbanization and agricultural expansion deprives bees of essential foraging and nesting sites. As we continue to encroach upon natural habitats, bees are left with fewer places to thrive. According to a report by the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, more than 75% of the world's food crops rely on bee pollination. Animal pop, animal pop, animal pollate, jeez, animal pollination, with bees being the most important pollinators. Now we can talk about solutions now that we got the problems out. One way we can make a difference is by transforming our own spaces into bee-friendly havens. We can always plant native flowers and avoid using pesticides in our gardens. We can provide, the needed forage and shelter for bees. According to a study published in the journal Ecological Applications, urban gardens and green spaces can significantly increase bee diversity and abundance. Supporting local beekeepers is another impactful way to help bees thrive. By purchasing locally produced honey and beeswax products, we not only support beekeepers, but also contribute to the conservation of bee populations. Research conducted by the University of Sussex found that supporting local beekeepers can help maintain genetic diversity within bee populations, and it makes them more resilient to environmental stressors. In conclusion, the plight of bees is a call to action for us all. We cannot afford to stand idly while these vital pollinators face extinction. Many of the stuff we use every day, many of the food that we eat every day, will become gone if we don't step up and take action towards saving the bees. As emphasized by IPBES report, urgent action is needed to address the multiple threats facing bees and other pollinators. I hope each of you join me in taking action to save bees. Together, we can plant the seeds of change, creating a future where bees not only thrive, but also survive. As stated in a study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, the conservation of bees and other pollinators is essential for ensuring the stability of ecosystems and food security for future generations. Remember, the fate of bees is intertwined with our own. By protecting bees, we are safeguarding the health of our planet, ensuring a sustainable future for our generations to come.